says she wants to go to the Parky Park. Did you want to go to the Parky Park? Yes, she wants to go to the park. So, we are going right here. If you see this brown sign that's coming up right here, right there to the right, there's a brown sign that says Crescent Bend Nature Park. About a mile or two off this main road is a really nice nature park. You can hike, you can bike, you can walk. It runs right by a creek. Some people fish in the creek. See what's happening when we get there. I like it because it's very quiet, even though it's technically surrounded by the city. You don't really hear too much of the street traffic. You will hear Air Force Base traffic. You'll hear the airplanes going. It's about the only, that's the only negative, because you're out there and it's peaceful, it's quiet. You got the woodsy area all around you. You have the creek, and then you hear a jet screech by. Kind of reminds you that you're in the city. I don't know why my camera keeps falling. I've tried to tighten it. I'm gonna have to work on that. It used to be private property, and then the owners, I would assume, passed away, and then they donated the land. It's a really nice nature park. Don't know exactly how big it is. It's not too terribly large. And the trails kind of just circle around. There's one big circle around, and then it kind of has trails like that go intertwined. But they all meet back. If you just keep on a trail, you'll end up back where you started. You can't really get lost in there. Oh, sorry, there's a car behind me and I'm kind of going slow. I'll speed up a little bit. Actually, I'm doing the speed limit. They're just trying to ride my butt, as usual. So, it'll be up here on the left. It kind of starts right there. You'll see to the left once we come down this curve. It gets nice and woodsy right here, and then that's part of it there to the left. Somebody right there must be trying to fish. That's the creek. The creek is on the right side. And here we are. Crescent Bend Nature Park. I'm going to drive first, just kind of show you where I can drive, and then we're going to pick a place. Only two people right there, that parking lot. There's picnic tables right there, the restroom, there's water, there's a dog water station. There's a street. You can go left, but it's blocked right now. So we'll go this way. Straight ahead amongst all those trees is where the creek runs. So the creek runs on the right side here. And it's Cibolo Creek. It runs for a really long time. If you look at a map, South Texas map, you'll see Cibolo Creek. It extends rather far. It's actually the county line. I think Bexar County, Guadalupe County, probably some other places. It serves as a county line. There's another parking spot. One person here. We've had a lot of rain recently, so it looks pretty green. Typically in the summer it's all brown. Crunchy, crunchy brown. It's kind of headed towards the back because there's the hiking trails are more woodsy back here, whereas if I were to stay in those other parking lots, it's kind of just open and you're just kind of walking on like a gravel path. So we're going to park here. And then you'll see that trash can right there. That's the entrance to the trail. So we'll park it here. And then let me hook up the dogs and we'll be right back. Okay. Let's go see. Come on. If you look down there, there's water. Come on, Chunks. We're gonna look at the water. Come on, boy. Not very pretty. Murky green. I don't know what you would call that. Murky green. Does look like a good fishing spot though. Don't get too close, you'll fall in. What you think, Fiend? You'd rather go look for lizards? Yep, I knew that. Let's go back up. Come on. See any lizards? Nothing on that tree, huh? Maybe it's too hot for the lizards, huh, Fiend? So they said, uh-oh, she's coming, let's hide. Sometimes there's snakes out here. I've seen them slither across the path. Whenever I hike, I wear these. They're not hiking boots. They're my cowboy boots. But they'll do the trick. What's going on in here? Lots of open space. I wonder what happened here. We lost the trail. Feeny, Chunks wants to go this way. Don't think this is a trail, but we'll go this way. There's the water. Chunky. You went around the tree the wrong way, Daddy. This way. Come on. Good boy. Come back this way. Good boy. Look at you. There's the water. I guess this was all underwater because we did have a flood recently. You can see all the debris. You see all the debris in the trees. See how it's all brown up to a certain point and then it gets green. So this was all underwater. Interesting. Come on. Uh-oh. You did it again, Chunky? Nope, you're stuck on a twig. Hold on. There you go. Wow, so this was all, and then this was all washed up from the flood. Look at that. See? Sure, we're walking through a flood zone, guys. What do you think about that? Whoop. Bump in the road. What are you going to do? Do you stop? Do you go around? What happened? What do we do? What do we do, Fiend? There you go. Come on, little man. Good jump. Ooh, don't want to go down there. Ooh, now it's getting really nice and woodsy dark. Come on, let's go. Keep going. Come on. Surprised you don't see anything. That water is like really close. Come on, boy. What are you doing? Come on. Pokey. I think we've come to about the part where it starts to open up again. And it's getting really filled with debris from the flood. Okay guys, let's head back. Come on, we're gonna head back. So as we're leaving, I was gonna show you, like over there, you see that trail? That's how the other trails are in the park. It's pretty much out in the open, and it has the crushed gravel, and then you can just walk or hike on there. I prefer being more woodsy woodsy trail, less gravelly. That's just me. Some people probably don't like the woods, whatever. That's an option for you. And now I was going to show you when you exit, if you go the other way, the opposite way from which we came in, you can actually see the creek. You cross over the creek. So I will show you the creek. Also, in this park, they have bird blinds. You can sit behind a blind, and they have this really nice, I think there's 2 of them. These really nice areas where they have water and bird feeders. And it's in the shade. It's really nice to sit in there. You want to watch the birds or whatever wildlife comes to the water. The only really wild thing I've seen out here is deer. So we came in from the right, so I'm going to take you now to the left, and I will show you but I'm pretty sure this was all underwater. Right. There's the creek. And then over here. You can actually walk back in there, like on those rocks. There's a trail up there. You wanted to get closer to the water. That's the creek. And that is Crescent Bend Nature Park.